While many customers are excitedly expecting the official release of One UI 6.1.1, others are eagerly awaiting the first One UI 7 beta update. Samsung is actively working on One UI upgrades for its Galaxy devices. The One UI 7.1 update is projected to introduce significant UI 7 enhancements, while the One UI 7 update is expected to place a greater emphasis on aesthetics. There has been a lot of excitement about the One UI 7 beta, which is expected to be one of the most significant upgrades in years with several UI improvements. At first, there were speculations that the first One UI 7 beta will debut at the end of July, but this was subsequently denied. The distribution of One UI 6.1.1 to the several devices that are still awaiting it seems to be Samsung's top priority, as recent rumors indicate the company has delayed it indefinitely. Ice Universe, a tipster, has revealed that several expected features could not make it into a single UI 7. It's important to note that each UI update has brought about significant functional changes, but the post indicates that One UI 7.1 is expected to bring an even greater array of new features than usual. One UI 7 is expected to focus on improvements in animation, including more reference animations, and overall system fluency. Samsung seems to be using One UI 7.1 as a major selling point for the 2025 Galaxy S25 series. According to leaks, One UI 7 is expected to introduce a significant aesthetic overhaul to Samsung's custom Android skin. The update is also expected to feature new icons and various UI elements, as well as a fresh look for system apps to improve usability. It will be interesting to see how the new animations, as noted by Ice Universe, perform on lower-end devices. The new software has been tested by the company on many Galaxy smartphones and tablets in recent months. A total of 52 of these devices are eligible for it. Samsung just started testing the Galaxy A55, a different smartphone running Android 15 with UI 7.0. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.